1. Passion Twist Crochet Hair Material, 100% high-quality low-temperature synthetic fiber, pre-looped and pre-twist crochet passion twist hair. Can be installed in 30 minutes, saving time, and even beginners can finish the hairstyle quickly. 2. Passion Twist's hair unique advantages. Each pack is 1.05 ounces, and 8 packs of hair weigh a total of 7.6 ounces, which is equivalent to a cup of 250 milliliters of water. The weight is very light, not as heavy as traditional passion twist hair. 3. Passion Twist Hair 10-inch feature. Hair features, handmade by professional braider, lightweight and super soft, tangle-free, no smell, natural stylish looking. Not easy to unravel fuzzy. 4 pre-twisted passion twist hair size and color. Available in 3 sizes, 10-inch, 12-inch, 14-inch, each in 5 colors, 1B, number 2, number 4, T27, T30. 5. Crochet Passion Twists for Black Women package, 8 packs a deal, 1 crochet hook, some free gifts. 12 strands pack, 96 strands in total, 8 packs are enough for a full head. If not, we also have 2-pack for you to choose from. Please feel free to contact us with any quantity problems. Top reviews from the United States. Outstanding. This hair is completely beautiful. I love how soft and bouncy the hair is, and my hairstylist really loved it too. It's very full and voluminous even after you stretch it to your desired style. I got the 10 inches and you'd think it was at least 12 inches.